Hi, in this video, we will show you how to make a photo gallery using TurboCollage software for Mac and Windows PC. As shown in this sample image, we will make a photo gallery with photos arranged horizontally in rows, and a photo gallery with photos arranged vertically in columns. Let's get started. Open TurboCollage. Let me resize the window so that it covers the whole screen. We will now select the gallery collage pattern. You can select from a range of different sizes for your collage. We will use an 18 by 24 size for this example. Let us now add some pictures to our photo gallery collage. TurboCollage automatically lays out the added photos in the gallery. We will now see how you can customize your gallery design. You can easily switch between a horizontal and a vertically laid out photo gallery. In a gallery with columns, you can align the pictures to top, bottom, or center them vertically. Similarly, in a gallery with rows, you can align the pictures to the left, right, or center them horizontally. You can drag pictures to alter the layout as you wish. If you want, you can easily crop the selected picture. You can also delete the selected picture. Use Shuffle to generate a random new layout. You can increase or decrease the spacing between the pictures. You can also use rounded corners on the pictures. You can add or delete rows or columns to your gallery. You can also increase or decrease the border width of pictures, or select a different border color. Let me shuffle our picture arrangement a couple of times. We will now export our photo gallery collage to a JPG image that we can easily print or share. Let us now view the exported JPG image for our photo gallery collage. Thank you for watching this video. Learn more at www.turbocollage.com.